This Obsidian Black AKLOT electric guitar feels far more refined than a typical beginner instrument, with a sleek Strat-inspired body and a comfortable roasted maple neck that encourages long practice sessions. The HSS pickup layout, with a coil split switch, offers an impressive range of tones, from bright single-coil sparkle to a thicker humbucker growl, making it versatile for many music styles. Its smooth roasted maple neck and jatoba fingerboard are well finished, so chords and bends feel easy under the fingers without sharp fret edges getting in the way. The included compact amplifier, tuner, strap, cable, and other accessories create a truly ready-to-play package that lets a new player plug in and start learning immediately. Build details like the stable sealed tuners, poplar body, and solid hardware choices help the guitar hold tuning reliably and stand up to regular practice. Glow-in-the-dark fret markers and the striking Obsidian Black finish give the guitar a modern, stage-ready look that still feels approachable for beginners.